Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to resolve login issues and reset password on MacBook Neo. So there are two ways to reset your password, and they vary based on whether you do or do not have the FileVault feature enabled. They start off similarly, so the beginning will be the same for both solutions. The first thing that we're gonna have to do, whether you do or do not have the FileVault feature enabled, is shut the computer down, which we can easily do by holding down the lock button in the top right corner of the keyboard until the screen of the device goes off. And I will also mention that right now I have the FileVault feature enabled. Therefore, the first solution will be for the people that have the FileVault enabled too. So once the screen goes off, we want to start holding down the lock key once again. Keep holding it down until you see the Apple logo with continue holding for startup options appear. And once it changes to loading startup options, we can release the lock button and just wait for the boot menu to appear on the screen. Okay, here we want to select options and click continue. And then we will see the recovery mode. Now, if your FileVault is enabled, then your disk is protected, and in order to get access to it and reset your password, you're gonna need to enter the recovery key to your disk. Now, if you don't know the password, well, of course, first of all, we're gonna have to select forget all passwords here, since we don't know the password to our main user. After that, we're gonna have to provide the recovery key to our disk. Now, if you do have that recovery key written down somewhere, saved somewhere, you can just enter your recovery key into this field. Now, if you do not have it, but you have any other, basically almost any other Apple device with a display, and it has your Apple account, the one that is linked with your MacBook, signed into it, you can simply open the applications menu on your other Apple device, or like this iPhone, enter passwords application, provide the password to your other device here, and then search for the MacBook Neo. If the data is synchronized, your recovery key must be automatically saved to your other Apple devices. So here you will find your MacBook. As you can see, it's MacBook Neo, so it's the same MacBook, and here we have the recovery key. So after you select the recovery key and unlock it, you'll be able to provide it into this field, and after that proceed to a password reset. After you enter your recovery key, click reset password, and then select your main user, then click next, and then enter the new password into the first field, verify password in the following one, and optionally provide a password hint. Then click next and proceed with the restart to your MacBook. Now, in case you couldn't find the recovery key to your MacBook, the only way out is performing a factory reset and erasing all data from your main disk. To do that, in the recovery mode, navigate to the recovery assistant, and here the last option is erase Mac. And after selecting erase Mac, your disk will be erased, and after that you'll be able to set up a new user for your account. And so yeah, that's it for people who have FileVault enabled. And now I'm gonna show you what to do after entering recovery for people who don't have the FileVault enabled on their PC. I mean, so on their MacBook, of course, I'm sorry. So if you open the recovery mode from a MacBook that doesn't have a FileVault enabled, you will see a completely different picture which looks like this. And in this case, what we want to do is navigate to the utilities menu in the top left corner of the screen. Unfortunately, I cannot magnify here, so you're gonna have to open this video in full screen. Open terminal in utilities, and in terminal we're gonna have to enter, maybe I cannot zoom in. We're gonna have to enter reset password. So it's a simple command, just reset password, all in one word. After entering reset password, press enter, and then you're gonna have to deactivate your MacBook. So select Deactivate Mac, then select Deactivate to confirm. And then once again provide a new password here. Verify it in the following field, and then optionally add a password here hint, and make sure that you remember it this time. Then click next and proceed. Okay, and after that you will see that your user account password has been reset. You may restart and log in using your new password. So let's exit to recovery utilities, and then let's navigate to the Apple logo, select restart, then wait until your MacBook is restarted, and then we're gonna have to enter our new password instead of the previous one. Okay, so just sign in once again using your new password. And after that, you'll also have to sign back into your Apple account by going to the Apple menu, going to System Settings, and well, here I actually wasn't signed out, but yeah, that's basically it. So this way you will reset your password to your MacBook. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.